In this learning, we're going to explore how to bring the recipient mares into our panel in WISE option. This is the flush log panel. I'm going to use my mare management shortcut down here, and I'm going to go to my daily worksheet. I'm going to open the daily worksheet on a new tab, and hopefully I'm going to have some recipient mares here. So the requirements for a recipient mare to show in the flush log panel, the first one, of course, the recipient must be set as a recipient mare in the job purpose. Let me go to the patient file so I can show you real quick what I'm talking about. Here on the job purpose, she must be set as a recipient. She can be set as something else, but she must be set as a recipient. And back here, so let's say that today she ovulated. As soon as I put OV either on the left or right ovary, she is going to be automatically be placed into the flush log panel. Let me go back to the flush log panel here, and today is the 15th. As you can see, my recipient mare is empty. So I will go back to my recipient mare number 17, and I'm on my palpation morning. I'm going to say that she is a 32 on the left, she OV on the right. I will not do anything else, just confirm. Do you want to reschedule her? Yes. I'm going to put her to be coming back here in 14 days. I know that's not kind of the case. I'm going to put a regular palp. It's because she's going to be in my flush log panel from this point on, so I'm good. So my recipient number 17, it's over there. So let me put another one. I'm going to grab the 13 and do the same process so you can follow the idea. I'm on palpation in the morning. And this one here is going to be an OV on the left. I'm going to tab over. She's a MSF over here. Again, I don't care about the rest. I'm going to register, reschedule yes. I'm going to say again 14 days and reschedule, palpation. I'm just trying to throw some mares into my flush log panel. So I have 2 recipient mares reviewed. Let me go back to the flush log panel. It is empty because, of course, I'm in a different tab, which is kind of a browser situation. But if I refresh, bingo, there you go. I have the mare 13 and mare 17 just by going to the mare record, doing your palpation in the daily worksheets. And in the mare record, either left or right ovary, you enter the OV for those sides. WISE option is going to automatically place your recipient mares in the program here in the flush log panel. Again, if you want to take a look at the mare record, suppose you are selecting the recipient mares, or if you have over here, usually if I have flushes scheduled on donors for this day, doctors will be trying to use recipient mares either from here, here, or here. And this is where you're going to cross the information to see your current day if you are good, as well as if you're looking at your recipient mares based on the flushes that you have ahead. You're going to know if you need to, just shoot mares some HCG and increase the number of mares on these days because maybe the phone calls are increasing for flushes on the days ahead, and then you can cross the information. From the flush log panel, if you want to open any particular mare file, you just double click. If you click on the donor, it's going to open the summary card, and if you double click on the recipient mare, it's going to open the mare record. If you hover the mouse, it gives you the details. If you want to change the color for the recipient mare, let me go to the recipient number 17. I'm going to double click on this one here. And one thing that will change the color for the mare, it's about, let me go to the summary card. Down here, I can go to her summary card because I want to change one little detail. Let me find. It's about the residency status. There you go, I found it here. This is the one. She's non-resident. So if the mare is located outside, it's non-resident. But if I set this mare as resident, so remember, now 117 is a resident mare. If I go back to my flush log panel, and 117 was initially as non-resident, therefore the background was in gray. But if I refresh now, bingo, it changes the color, so you can know resident mares from non-resident mares. Sometimes it's a farm that is, you know, a few miles away, and you can keep track of just like that. So today you've learned how to insert the recipient mares into flush log panel for WISE option. Thanks for watching.